Hi, I'm Joe Nicholson. Welcome to NRA. I'd like to talk to you about Cleveland's Mini MVP, the most versatile and productive tilt skillet you can put in a 28-inch area. Now, I'm sure you guys know how versatile a tilt skillet is with doing the things that you would normally do on a griddle or your pancake sausages, but you can do soup, sauces, stews, stir fry, poach, deglaze. But now, with the advent of our controller here and the probe, we can actually do some shallow frying. You can see inside we've got an oil level line. We've got a couple of fry baskets that we can put in there. So we're adding just another great feature to these units to be able to do some shallow frying, okay? One of the other nice things about this unit is the fact that we've put this hinged cover on it, so it's no more lift off. It's spring assist. It stays where you need it. Still has the great little vent lid on the top of this unit at all. Another nice thing is this controller. This controller gives you 3 different modes of operation. We've got the cook and off, cook and on, and cook and hold. There is also a diagnostic section in here that gives you onboard diagnostics, which is a really nice feature to have on these units. Really helps you get it fixed, first time fix rate, if you can tell the servicer what might be wrong with the unit. The next great thing about this, you can put this unit anywhere. Normally when you have a tilt skillet or a kettle, you need a floor drain that's in front. With our ST820 stand, you can actually use this to pour your product into your pot, or when you get cleaning, you can pour your dishwater into this. It has a drain in the back, which you can collect that water and then plumb it down the line to a floor sink anywhere. So you can literally put this unit anywhere in the kitchen. Anyway, I appreciate your time. If you need more information, contact your local food service rep for Cleveland. Thanks for watching.